Good morning, my lovely students. This is Miss Razan. Today, we are going to talk about diet and exercise. Number 1. As we said before, that eating is one of the life processes. So, we have to eat to stay alive. But sure, not any food. You know that some animals like lion and tiger might only eat meat because it gives everything they need. But humans need to eat lots of different types of food. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn what are the food types that we have to eat. Okay, now open your book, page 120, and write beside the title, Diet and Exercise number 1. Beside the title, number 1, please. Okay, now look at this plate. Can you tell me what are the foods you can see? We have many foods here in this plate. Can you name any 5 foods? Okay, we have different vegetables and the fruits like banana, apples, pineapple. We have onion, carrots, peas. In the second part, we have potato, cereal, flour, bread. Third section, we have meat, fish, chicken, cheese, yogurt, milk. And the last part, we have chocolate, chips, hot dog, Pepsi, whatever. So, now in your book, which is page 120, we have a question here. The question is, look at the plate, write down some of the different foods you can see. So please write any 5 or 6 foods as you want. Okay, here I wrote fish, meat, fruit, vegetables, cereals, cheese. You can name types of fruits like pineapple, apple, banana, onion, vegetables like onion, carrots, whatever. Okay, and as we said also that some animals need to eat only one type of food like lion and tiger. As we say that lion and tiger eat meat because it gives everything they need. So here they wrote a lion might only eat some meat, but it gets everything it needs from the meat. But also, as we say, that humans need to eat lots of different types of food. But actually, it's difficult to name all foods that we have. So, scientists have grouped the foods by what they do for our bodies, or what the job, or what the function of the food in our bodies. So, they divided the food into 4 groups. As you see here in the picture, we have 4 food groups. So what are the food groups that we have? Number 1, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals like fruits and vegetables. So we find vitamins and minerals in banana, apple, pineapple, also in vegetables like onion, carrots, and whatever. Okay. Here in the second section or the second type, we have carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, we have many types of food in carbohydrates like potato, cereals like rice. Also, we have flour, we have bread. All those are food in carbohydrates group. And the third group that we have here, we have proteins. Proteins is very important for our body, so we have to eat proteins also. So examples of proteins group, we have cheese, yogurt, fish, meat, milk also, and chicken. Those are the most food that have proteins. And the last group, which is fats. So we have fats group. Fats group, it's like sugars and some oils and butter. So we have chocolate, chips, hot dog, Pepsi, all those contain sugars or other types of oils. So they are fats. Okay, so the scientists divide the foods into 4 groups depending on its job in our bodies. The first group, vitamins and minerals. The second group, carbohydrates. Third group, proteins. And the last group is fats group. Okay. So if you focus on the picture, you find that groups divided in different amount. Look at the amount of vitamins, look at the amount of carbohydrates or proteins or fats. For example, vitamins and minerals have the largest area. So to be healthy, you have to eat too much of vegetables and fruits. And also, if you look at the carbohydrates like rice, bread, potato, and whatever, you will find that carbohydrates area is smaller than vitamins and minerals, but also it's large because it's larger than fats, for example. And the smallest area here is for fats. So you have to eat a little amount of fats to be healthy. So we have to make a balanced diet to be healthy and to stay healthy. So we should not eat too much fats. We should not eat little amount of vitamins and minerals. We have to make a balanced diet. Balanced diet means to eat too much vitamins and minerals and a little of fats. Okay? And also you have to eat carbohydrates and proteins in different proportions. Okay, so now open your book, page 121, to know what is the function of each group in our body. Let's start with proteins. Actually, proteins are very important in our body because protein helps build muscles. So to build muscles, we have to eat a protein. And the second food group here, we have carbohydrates. Also, carbohydrates are very important because carbohydrates give you energy. So carbohydrates are very important because they give you energy. Okay, so proteins or protein helps build muscles. Carbohydrates give you energy. Again, protein helps build muscles and carbohydrates give you energy. So if I ask you which food group gives you energy, you will tell me that carbohydrate give us energy. And which group build muscles? You have to know that proteins build muscles. Okay. Third group, fats. So fats fat give you energy and keeps you warm. So winter, your parents tell you that eat fats because fats give you energy, so that will keep you warm. Okay, so fat gives you energy and keeps you warm. And the last groups, vitamins and minerals. Okay, vitamins and minerals, as we say, that they are very important because they keep your body healthy. And also minerals build bone and teeth. So like calcium. Calcium is an example of minerals. So calcium build bone and teeth. Okay. So vitamins and minerals keep your body healthy. So if you feel unwell, you have to eat vitamins and minerals. Okay, now in your book they asked about the type of food group depending on the case that they give. Okay, the question number 1, imagine you feel unwell. Which food group might help you to feel better? As we said before, that vitamins and minerals feel you well. So if you eat vitamins and minerals, you will feel better. So the answer here is vitamins and minerals. Okay. For question number 2, imagine you are going to run a marathon. Which food group do you need to eat more? When you want to go to run a marathon, that means you need too much energy. And which group give you energy? As we said, that carbohydrates give you energy. Also, fats give you energy, but fats here will be not good if you eat fat before marathon. So eat carbohydrates, because carbohydrates give you more energy than fat. So the answer here, carbohydrates. Okay, question number 3. Imagine you want to build up your muscles. So if you want to gym and you want to build your muscles, so which food group do you need to eat more of? So as we say that proteins help build muscles. So to build muscles you have to eat protein. So the answer here is proteins. Okay. The last question, question number 4. Imagine that the weather is very cold. So which food group will help to keep you warm? Okay, as we say that one type of food give you energy and keep you warm. Actually, the answer is fats. So fats keep you warm. Okay. So before answer the questions with me, answer them alone after the studying the lesson, and try to answer the questions alone. Thank you for listening. Study well and good luck.